Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are selling on Shopify, setting up sales tax correctly is super important, not just for your peace of mind, but also to stay compliant with the law. In this video, I will walk you through how to set up sales tax in your Shopify store step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, so grab a coffee and let's get started. Before we jump into Shopify, let's understand why sales tax matters. In most countries and US states, you are required to collect sales tax from customers if you have an excess. That means a business presence like an office, warehouse, or even significant sales in that region. So always check your local tax laws or consult a tax pro if you are unsure. Now head over to Shopify admin dashboard, log into your account. From the home page, go to wait a minute. Just log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to shopify.com or create a new one. Just enter your email address and password, then click start for free trial for this tutorial, then enter password, then click login. Now keep this step. Once you are in, from the home page, go to settings tab in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, click on taxes and duties tab. This is where you will manage your store's tax settings. Shopify makes it pretty easy. Under the tax region section, click on the region where you want to collect tax. For example, if you are in US, click United States from here. Shopify may automatically detect where you have nexus based on your shipping settings, but you can manually add status to click collect sales tax from drop down menu or collect in new region. Then enter your sales tax permit number, select your region, then enter your sales tax permit number, then click collect sales tax. Don't have one? You need to register with your state's tax authority. Most states allow you to do it online. If you sell internationally, like to Canada, the UK, or the EU, you will want to enable taxes in those countries too. Just click add a country, then select the region and follow the same steps. Some countries require VAT, registration numbers, so be prepared. Shopify automatically calculates tax rates for you based on the customer's location, which is super convenient. If your if your local tax laws require customer tax rules like different product types being taxed differently, you can set those manually too. Just click override, just click add override and follow the process or add a tax rate under the region. Next, go to your product section from your dashboard. Click on a product or add a new product. I will use import tab because I have already few products. You can upload your CSV or you can add manually product. Then click upload and preview. Then click import products. Now wait a minute. Shopify is currently importing your products into your store. This could take some time to complete if you'd like to. Oh, now click on a product, scroll down, and make sure to share the box that says there's tax on this product. Find this option and check it. If your product is tax exempt, for example, some food or clothing items, leave it unchecked. Back in the settings, then go to taxes and duties, scroll down to check how taxes are shown at checkout. You can choose whether prices include tax or if tax is added at checkout depending on your regions, laws, and your preference. Now it's time to test. Add a product to cart, go to checkout, and make sure tax is calculated correctly based on your test address. This helps avoid surprises for your customers and ensures everything's working smoothly. And that's it. You are now ready to collect sales tax on your Shopify store like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.